Good morning, dear students. Today, in chapter Journal with GST, we will learn treatment of IGST. See, basically there are two types of purchases and sale: intrastate purchase and sale, as well as interstate purchase and sale. If there will be any interstate transactions, then CGST and SGST will be combined and it will be converted into IGST. See first transaction. Pass entries in the books of Mr. Gopal assuming CGST at 6% and SGST at 6%. Gopal purchased goods for rupees 1,50,000 from outside the state and made payment by check. So this time you can see this purchase is outside the state. So CGST and SGST will be merged into IGST. Okay, and tax will be 12%. So a very simple journal entry will come, that is purchases account debit input IGST account will be debited, and this is, you can see, cash purchases of goods, and we are paying amount by check. So to bank account, goods purchase and amount paid by check. Purchase price is 1,50,000. And as I told you, CGST and SGST will be merged into IGST. So tax rate will be 6% plus 6%, that is 12%. So on 1,50,000, 12% will be 18,000. So total amount will be paid to him 1,68,000. Okay. See one more transaction. Then he sold goods for rupees 1 lakh outside the state on credit. This is his credit sale of goods, but again you can see this is interstate transaction. So name of the party is not given, so that party will be treated as debtor. So debtor's account will be debited to sales account and to output IGST account, being goods sold. And this time again you can see selling price is 1 lakh rupees and 6% CGST and 6% SGST will be converted into IGST, that is 12%. So on 1 lakh rupees this amount will be 12,000. Total will be 1 lakh 12,000 rupees. Okay. Now see next transaction. He sold goods for rupees 1,80,000 locally on credit. So this time this is credit sale of goods, but you can see this is intra-state transaction because he is selling goods locally. So debtors account will be debited to sales account and to output CGST account to output SGST account, because this is intra-state sale. Selling price is 1,80,000. So 1,80,000. 6% on 1,80,000 will be 10,800 and 10,800. Total will be 008 plus 6. Okay, 2,01,600. See next, pay telephone bill for 5,000 by check. So this is one of the expense. All expenses must be debited. So telephone expenses account will be debited and bill price is 5,000, and we have to pay taxes also. Input CGST account will be debited. Input SGST account will be debited and to bank account. And you can see both taxes are 6%. So 5,000 into 6% will be 300 each. Like this 5,600 rupees will come. See one more transaction, that is he purchased an AC for his office for rupees 25,000 and paid by check. So this is one of the office equipment. Office equipment account debit. And again we have to pay taxes. Input C GST account debit. Input S GST account will be debited, and we are paying amount by check, so bank account will be credited. And you can see purchase price is 25,000 and two taxes are there, 6%. So on 25,000 rupees 6% will be 1,500 and 1,500, and this will be 28,000. Okay.